Charles Draven from infospike.com, and I want to talk to you today about the $1 cash system. This is my review. I'm going to offer a bunch of bonuses as well. And so this is a daily passive income opportunity, and it's just $1. And so if you look at this, you'll be able to watch this teaser by Dawud. He's one of the top 5% vendors and affiliates of Warrior Plus, one of the top marketing platforms in the world. And so here it is. This offer offers 100% front-end commissions, and this is actually one of the killer pieces, because if you've been in the affiliate game, you'll realize that a lot of the offers will give you commissions somewhere between 1% all the way up to, like, let's say 75% for many, especially if they're like software or digital offers. But here you'll be able to get 100%, and then you'll be able to profit on the first sale. And I'll say this profit part, if you have been around the block, you know a lot of these systems, they use funnels, marketing funnels, and the potential here is to make hundreds of dollars per sale. So just want to let you know that this is a very irresistible offer. You'll be able to tap into products that you can get 100% commissions on as an affiliate on the front end system. And then what happens here is that once you tap into the system, you'll also have the opportunity to get done for you traffic, which means no promotions needed ever for the system. And then no experience is needed and guaranteed approval. So guaranteed approval, I think that's very cool, because when it comes to people that are just starting out, they see this awesome opportunity where $1 can lead to hundreds. And guaranteed approval, it helps you because when you're just getting started, you don't have a track record, a bunch of affiliates will reject you. So with this, you get guaranteed approval to promote these offers, and these are proven offers that convert well. And then you get 100% on the front end. And it's just $1. So to me, there is barely any risk if you really care about that $1 that you could have spent on, I'm not sure, like maybe some cheap toothpaste or something. But $1 is the risk here. So here's another thing. I'm one of the launch partners. So of course, I know a lot of the inside secrets of this. Dawud and I, we got together to put this together because we really wanted to help people make passive income online and do so in a very simplistic way. And I think that a lot of people that have been in the digital marketing game, just about any marketing game, even if you've been in direct sales like I have, promotions, marketing has always been one of the biggest pieces. If you don't have enough people in the system to funnel people to your offer or offers, then it's very hard to make sales. And so we wanted to clear that huge obstacle, and that's what we've done. So I invite you to check this out. It's just $1 to get started, and you'll be able to tap into this system. So there's my pick there. And again, Dawud, he knows what he's doing. We've put together our minds to put together this system. And again, he's one of the top guys on Warrior Plus. So he goes through some of his earnings here, historical earnings, 20K in 30 days, 30K in 30 days. So that's just to show you what he's done. And we have people that in some of the previous products that come from all walks of life. So just about anyone from anywhere in the world can profit. So we've got busy moms, younger people, older people, college students, working from home people, professionals, bloggers, couples, online marketers. So how can we help so many different types of people? Because we've made it extremely simple. That was the core part, the key element of the system, is to make it extremely simple and affordable for just about anyone to tap into this system. So again, this is going to be, to me, it's going to be a killer offer, something that you can take advantage of. And then also you get a bunch of bonuses. So a lot of bonuses here. You're able to learn how to make money with low content books. You could learn how to make monthly wealth with this Wombat wealth system. You'll be able to learn how to make money through chatbots. You'll be able to learn money about this special Panda Easy Cash method, as well as how to make money with review sites. These are bonuses, by the way. You get all this great stuff and it just costs you $1. So I highly recommend that you check it out. I know that this is coming from me and Dawud. We know so much about the inner workings of this. And of course it's biased, but you know, at $1 with all of the experience and value that you'll be getting out of this, check it out. Highly recommend it, of course, you know. My name is Charles Draven from infospy.com. Make sure that you check out the link in my description of my YouTube video. You'll be able to tap into more bonuses. And by the way, I'm not promoting through my affiliate link. I'm just going to promote through this raw link from this webpage. And I just want to make sure that you get value. And I'm going to be providing bonuses above what you see here. And again, this is going to be something where you can get access to all this and way more. And I invite you to check it out. Okay, you know, obviously I'm shooting this right before we launch, but thank you for watching. Again, check it out, and I wish you the best of luck, especially in your digital marketing business journey, wealth creation journey, and I hope this leads you to that step in achieving financial freedom. So take care all. This is going to be an awesome opportunity, and it's just $1. So take advantage of it while you can. That's all for today. Thanks.